Hello, my rising affiliate marketers. Welcome back to Smart Affiliates, your go-to channel for all things related to successful affiliate marketing. I remain your host, Sam Chidebere, and I'm excited to have you here today. If you are new to this channel, you're most welcome. Do me a favor, will you? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my valuable tips and tricks. Today, I have chosen to respond to the question most of my students have consistently been asking me, and that is, how do you kickstart your affiliate marketing business without spending a dime? So if you are one of my students who asked that question, this video is my answer to you. Let's jump right in. Before we get into the muddy waters of affiliate marketing, let's make sure we are all on the same page. Now, I don't want to sound too euphoric or put affiliate marketing on a shiny china plate. There's no business that doesn't require an initial investment. Affiliate marketing is no exception. So if anybody tells you that you can come empty-handed into affiliate marketing and make lots of money within a short time, then watch it. You are slipping through a dark but smooth alley down to hell. Affiliate marketing does require some initial investment if you are serious about taking it as a business. If not anything, the data for your internet connection with which you are watching this video is an investment. What about the laptop or Android phone you are watching this video on? This video is aimed at showing you how you can reduce this initial investment to the barest minimum, not to deceive you. Now that we understand each other, let's go on. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a fantastic way to make passive income, especially when you are just starting out. So you are an aspiring or rising affiliate marketer, and that's a thrilling place to be. But one of the first and most crucial steps you will take on this journey is selecting the right niche. Think of your niche as the foundation of your affiliate marketing efforts. It's like choosing the perfect plot of land for your dream house. You want it to be solid, well chosen, and aligned with your aspirations. When it comes to picking a niche, the golden rule is to follow your passion. What are you genuinely interested in? What gets you excited and curious? When you are passionate about your niche, it's not just work, it's a fulfilling journey that you are eager to embark on each day. But here is the thing. It's not just about you. Your chosen niche should also resonate with your potential audience. You can watch this video I uploaded not quite long ago on this topic for more guidance. I'll leave the link in the description below. Take a moment to put yourself in their shoes. What problems are they facing? What solutions are they seeking? Your niche should be a bridge that connects your expertise and enthusiasm with your audience's needs and desires. Now let's talk about finding that sweet spot. It's where your passion meets your audience's needs. This is the magical intersection where your content becomes valuable, relatable, and shareable. When you're genuinely interested in your niche, it shows in your content. Your enthusiasm becomes contagious, drawing people in and making them want to hear more from you. The beauty of being passionate about your niche is that it allows you to establish yourself as an authority. As a rising affiliate marketer, building trust is essential. When you're knowledgeable and enthusiastic about your niche, your audience will recognize your authenticity and expertise. Picture this. You're creating content about something you love, and it's attracting like-minded individuals who share your passion. These are the people who will resonate with your message, engage with your content, and ultimately become your loyal followers. So remember, when you are choosing a niche, it's not just about trends or what's popular. It's about finding that balance between your passion and your audience's needs. It's about creating a space where you can share your expertise, make meaningful connections, and help others along the way. Take the time to explore your interests and think about the kind of impact you want to make in your chosen niche. Once you have found that sweet spot, everything will start falling into place. If you found this segment helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any latest affiliate marketing insights. Stay tuned. There's more valuable content coming your way. Now, let's talk about the products you will be promoting. As a newbie, it's wise to start with affiliate programs that have little to no upfront costs. Look for digital products or services. They often offer higher commissions and don't require you to invest money in inventory. You can start with Share a Sell, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, or Amazon. I'll recommend that you start with Share a Sell because they allow you to hook up with so many merchants that offer high commission rates. The link to join them is in the description below. Content. The heartbeat of every successful affiliate marketing job. Here is the exciting part. Crafting compelling content doesn't require emptying your wallet. What matters most is the value you bring to your audience. Your knowledge is your currency. Dive into sharing insights, crafting tutorials that simplify complexities, and even crafting side-by-side comparison videos. The real magic lies in delivering value that resonates and empowers your viewers. As you consistently offer solutions and information that enriches their understanding, you naturally establish yourself as a credible and dependable source. Remember, it's not about the money you invest, it's about the authentic investment you make in sharing your expertise. Your content becomes the bridge that connects you with your audience, and that's where the true affiliate marketing journey begins. social media platforms are your best friends here. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are amazing for promoting your content. Be consistent with your posts and engage with your audience. That's how you will build a strong following. Now let's give your content the visibility it deserves. Your content needs to be seen, read, or watched and appreciated. No matter the quality of your content, if nobody sees it, it's akin to a man winking to a beautiful lady in the dark. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is all about optimizing your content for search engines like Google. Research relevant keywords, use them naturally in your content, and watch your organic traffic grow, all without spending a dime. Building an email list might seem daunting, but it's a powerful tool for long-term success. Offer something valuable, like an ebook or a webinar, in exchange for your audience's email addresses. It's a great way to nurture your audience and keep them engaged. Engaging with your audience is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. For instance, if you have observed any gray areas in this video, you can drop your observation in the comments section below, and I will do my best to respond to you in the shortest possible time. Hosting free webinars and question and answer sessions can help you connect on a deeper level. Don't forget to keep an eye on your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic and see what's working. If something isn't delivering the result you aim for, adapt and refine your strategies accordingly. As your experience grows and those initial conditions start reclaiming, the allure of scaling up becomes enticing. Here is the stage advice. Embrace the journey of gradual growth. While investing your earnings into paid marketing strategies can catapult your efforts, don't rush. The wisdom lies in a step-by-step approach. Each new strategy should be an informed progression from the last. This deliberate pace allows you to monitor what's working, refine your tactics, and ensure a sustainable path. Remember, success is built on a strong foundations, and scaling up is the reward for mastering each phase. So, as you are tempted by the allure of rapid expansion, stay grounded, keep learning, and remember that your journey is uniquely yours, and it's worth the patient climb to the top. I hope this video has opened your eyes to how to start your affiliate marketing journey without breaking the bank. Remember, affiliate marketing is about providing value, building relationships, and making those first connections that will eventually lead to sales. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow rising affiliate marketers. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss my latest insights. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay tuned for my next video, where I will delve into even more strategies to help you succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Until then, keep learning, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification for future great videos. Thank you.